This is an unboxing of the Novoo, it's Novoo, personal on-the-go power outlet. It's 230 watt hours. The price is a little over 200 bucks. So compared to like a Go Zero Yeti 400, you could pretty much get two of these for the same price and actually have more power out of it, and a little more options too. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of it, and then I'll do a review a little bit later on. So we got the assuming power supply, which is USB-C. It's kind of nice. Catching up. And the power adapter. And an instruction book in there. Looks like it's packed fairly nice. It's got nice heavy foam on it, which is nice to keep protected. Let's take a look here. Here's the back, DC input. And the front, we've got AC power, DC power, another USB type C, and then 3 regular USB plugs. I actually send it with a little bit of power in it, so it if you're right out of the box and you need a little bit, switch to 12 volt, switch to DC, which is, 110 volt, and then back to USB. There. Very cool. I think this weighs, I don't know, I'll weigh it to be sure, but 10 pounds maybe. It doesn't weigh much. This could, real easy to pack with you compared to my Yeti, which weighs quite a bit. This is a nice little unit. Stay tuned for, I'm going to do a little review on it.